Beep. We on. Hi, Coral.
Hi, Colin.
We on the TV
Just,
of nature.
yeah.
Might rain. It's okay. We both
But it's so tall.
enjoy the rain because if you plant seeds before it rains, they have a good chance to grow, right?
Or if it's rain and you just eat some good juicy fruits with seeds, you can spread it to the soil and it will...
And hopefully, who
Yeah.
knows, because we don't have our own garden.
But
So-
we have nature everywhere we go. There is gardens
Yeah.
and
Well, we wanted papayas have a lot of seeds, whereas avocados, this is an avocado tree, have one seed, and it's a drupe. It's not a berry. I don't know. Anyway,
yeah.
so we want to talk about getting 80% carbohydrates to make us
A bit cold.
fueled for exercise. That's what we need to warm up.
Yeah, we want the fuel from carbs,
Keep it moving.
from fructose, from fruits. So if our surviving mind telling us get some oil to be safe for later, then we can use our other sides of the brain, the creativity and the logic one that telling us just use fruits as fuel or eat fruits.
Yeah, don't fall for the tricks that the supermarkets have.
Cooked oil is the worst. We want fresh. If we eat some fat, so we want to go for one avocado
In a salad.
in a salad with tomatoes and greens.
And it's hard to uncondition the mind from how society has been developing. But everyone knows the fruits and vegetables are the most simple and complex at the same time. Nutrients and water.
They help us to rebuild, to grow, to... We help ourselves in our body to do all the things, but
Yeah.
also to flow with nature. We want to become nature, we want to look like nature. No? We want to adapt as natural humans.
Maybe I want to be like a tree, like have different branches.
Maybe I want to be like a sunshine and shine and make good light in the world.
Maybe we want to be like a swan. Or a chicken.
Or like a rain that's just dropping on us right now. Just little drops. Because think about it, the rain is the way of nature, of the sky and the clouds to cleanse, to clean itself from pollution or from heat,
Dust.
from dust. And then the rain, it's like a cleansing. It's like human body. And that's why we and nature are reflect on each other. And
Indeed.
it's an enchanting world.
What we see here is the clouds going like swirling around, like from the sea to the mountains, and the water is collecting. Sometimes the heat gathers it, and then the water connects because it's negatively charged. And when it connects with anything with a positive charge, like a dust or pollution or anything, solid object, then it condenses.
So we not recommend to drink rainwater, because if
Not really, no.
just let it clean the air and the sky, and then to breathe deep as possible, because the air will be more fresh after a few days of rain.
Also, distilled water in general, we don't recommend to drink because it flushes out all the particles, the minerals in the body.
But you know, it's hygienic, so it's a bit still a mystery in my eyes.
Okay,
It's good or bad, I don't know.
in terms of hydrating, we want spring water because
We prefer spring water.
the minerals
that's full of
allow
minerals.
the water to pass through the cell membrane and into the cell.
It's more natural in nature to have natural spring water that comes
I'm still learning. I'm still
from the soil, bubbling up to the earth. Yeah, we're learning.
Cleansing and repairing and
So do some yoga and breathe.
there was this thing
And
called
realize that
organ
your
energy.
human body is so intelligent creation, and just allow it to cleanse sometimes, and just allow the natural health being, because that's the creation. That's our body. It's the normal base is health, is good.
Yeah. So we talked about yesterday in a video, but it was dark.
Incredible.
That if we do intermittent fasting,
yeah,
like 16 hours
or 18, in between 16 to 18, like to eat 6 or 8 hours, a window of, let's say, from 1 o'clock, skip breakfast, eat at 1 or 2, and then eat at 6, and finish it at 7, 8, like from 1 to 7 or from 2 to 8, and then the rest of the time just rest.
A window of eating, and then the next day you wake up, you do some work or exercise, yoga, breathing.
Some power exercise, some push-ups also.
Use the logic and the creative
breathing.
mind.
Start with lots of oxygen.
And then
circulate.
Break the fast with
body. Allow
either water or juicy fruits.
Prepare new cells, stem cells.
If we eat bananas for breakfast,
better to.
It's a bit heavy, I find.
Yes, save the bananas for noon after like middle day.
Unless we drink water first and then
I
go
think
for a 5-mile run.
Melon, papaya, mango, all the juicy fruits.
Yeah.
Just do monomeal.
Grapes.
Good.
Oranges.
Mandarin. And hug. Kiss.
And a salad in the evening, perhaps.
Yeah. And then you can eat your avocado.
If you make it with tomatoes, lemon,
pepper, red pepper,
maybe 4 or 5 ingredients, and then that's enough to keep the mind satiated.
I love to eat also just the fruits or just the vegetables whole. It's also fun.
Yeah. Monomeals digest the best.
No oxidized. Find good, clear, peaceful mind.
Find a way to connect with the nature and the animals and humans.
Yeah.
We can use compassionate communication.
Yeah. Empathic and become sympathetic.
Remember, we're a soul.
And ecologic to eat fruits. It's high frequency. It's the most high frequency. So we have a soul, and what we eat and how we eat affect on our soul. So
we want to heal the world from all diseases and
no plastic.
Or recycle back to the state of health.
To eat from the tree. All the fruits belong to me, to you, to everyone.
Yeah.
That's the treasure of God. Let's enjoy this abundance in colorful
calmness.
Colorful.
Columness. And
in correlation from colors.
researched the organ conspiracy and the
I don't.
what else?
Yeah.
If you
5
times
to 8 high love
Look at
frequency.
this is a fluorite crystal,
Ah,
which protects us from dragons. And no, it collects energy and stuff, and it's very beautiful.
it's purified.
And if you times the number of knuckles by the number of fingers you have, you get 60, because there's 12 knuckles on 4 fingers.
And there is something with the number 432 that showed a lot in different forms.
Lots of connections with shapes.
Yeah, and how even the world
The sun and
go. And I want to say something about high frequency, about we want to purify and enlighten our soul, ourself, our body with high dimension, and fruits have the most high dimension. So if we eat fruit, we feel great, and we're nourishing our body, ourselves, and it keeps us alert to what's good and live.
Yeah.
And if
It's
we
a
want to
new-
feel fully
It's a new
alive
experience
in this,
for most of us, and the film.
so that's
the green
I want to
vert.
encourage to eat
What's it called? The
fruits.
Green Planet. That film, and it's
La
very
Bella Verte.
painting the picture of
That's good
how
movie. Recommend. Also,
life will be. If we
meet
connect to
natural
water.
hygiene.
The
Also,
natural hygiene is good. There's a few more we can.
yeah.
But that's long enough.
So yeah. So that will be for now. Love you.
Peace.
Yeah. Stay healthy and happy and positive.